Well, I just walked the back corner, heading back down the hill to the middle of our property, on the back edge of our property. Kind of go by the barbed wire. Like I said, this all used to be farmland at one time. You can see it growing through this tree. Went right down the line there. All the big trees have already fell over with old age. But you can tell this is a fence tree. That's probably how they did it back then, or just grew along the fence line. Got mushrooms growing on it. It's dead. And the barbed wire is probably what killed it. I don't know. All that right there gonna be cut out. You can see just mostly all beech junk trees. There's a few oaks in there, but not a good healthy tree. But it's kind of the property line, so that's probably where they'll stop. And all that'll be cut down. A lot of sticks in our trails. No one's been back here in a while since the race this early spring. Old beech trees had barbed wire through it, so kind of angled this way. There's barbed wire going through that tree. So it's kind of our property line, right down through there. Orange paint ain't exact. It's just easy for my dad to paint, I imagine. You can see the barbed wire growing through this. It's got a big old growth on it. Bet this tree would be pretty cut out someday. Someone will make a table out of that probably. And we're back down to the creek in the middle of our property on our back line. Bunch of dead beech trees. I'm just tying tape around stuff. They got GPS now, so they'll know exactly where the property line's at. Our neighbor over on that side put a post somewhere. It's pretty close because there's where he put a post at. That's where he put a post at. So I'm gonna tie some ribbon around it. I'm running out of ribbon. Hold on one second. And I'd give him some idea. One second. I'm kind of used to be a fast tire. There we go. So got a ribbon hanging. Neighbor put a post there. That's our neighbor's property. He's got a nice pine grove back there. That's probably what we'll do with this. Here's our bridge. I showed that on one of the videos. Looks like a four-wheeler's been down here, or a motorcycle. Yeah, just a beautiful day. Mark this tree over here. You can see more barbed wire coming through the fence. And then it goes on down the valley into a creek, and it goes into a bigger creek, and then goes to the Hocking River. Just a beautiful day. Hope everyone's enjoying it. Peace.